How to spool knit a doll's coat or jacket. This lovely doll's coat or jacket can be made using either round web or flat web. To start this amazing project, see Step 1. Steps 1. Begin the coat at the arm seam A. For a coat 5 inches long, begin 3 inches from the end of the web to make the first turn. 2. Sew from this turn to the starting end of the web B, fasten the sewing thread and cut it off. The second row is made 11 inches long, or long enough to go over the shoulder and down the back, B to C. 3. Sew 4 rows in this way to form the front and part of the back, then 4 rows 5 inches long for the back, then 4 more rows 11 inches long for the other shoulder and front D to E. Sew the fifth or last row up 3 inches for the other arm seam. 4. Join the arm seams, leaving an opening of 2 inches for sleeves if they are desired. If not, the armhole and neck can be finished off with some contrasting color. 5. For the sleeves, measure the length of the doll's arm and make the first row this length. Make each row a little longer than the preceding row until the top or shoulder part is reached, then gradually shorten each row until the desired width is obtained. The last row should be the same length as the first row. When sewing them in the coat, have the longest part come at the top of the shoulder. Buttons are made by braiding yarn and sewing it in the form of buttons. 6. Use a cord for fastening. This is made by braiding, or twisting and folding the yarn. It is then sewn into loops or used as cord and tassel for tying. Things: flat web or round web, needle, thread, scissors, braid for cord, tassel.